Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at how to make $12,000 in a month. Let's roll the intro. So in this video we're looking at how to make $12,000 a month, and there's several parts to it. So you might be thinking $12,000, that's quite a lot to get to very quickly. So we're actually going to break it down into a lot simpler way, and it's going to take a bit of time, but one of the things that we're actually going to be looking at is the compound effect. So we just write compound effect up here. Very simply, this is going to be like, for example, property. If you have one property and you're renting it and you're making $1,000 in a month, and you get a second property and you're making $1,000 on that, you're suddenly making $2,000. Now with this we're going to do the exact same thing but with online marketing. So what we're going to do, and I'm going to go into this further, so start with, we're going to have the idea that we have a product. So we have a product that will generate us $33 a sale. So we've got our product that we might have found through CLICKBAIT, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, whatever, I don't care where you get it from. But you've got a product that sells for $33. Now, the next part, how are we going to take that $33 and turn that into $12,000? Well, what we're actually going to do is we're going to break it down into $1,000. So if we have $33 product, we're going to need 33 sales to get to $1,000. So what we're actually going to achieve is one sale per day. Okay? We can all achieve that one sale per day to get to our $1,000 target. Now, let's just take this out. We've got our product, compound effect. What we're actually going to do is we're going to use the power of YouTube and CLICKBAIT and our product. So we get YouTube. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a channel based around that product. So our product. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to have 20 videos. Now you can quite easily create 20 videos in a month with 1 hour per day creating that video. So if you create one video per day of the weekday, so Monday to Friday, so that's 5 videos a week, 20 videos in a month, we're going to have 20 videos. Now, the next part about this is we're going to use a bit more maths in this, and there's been some research and quite a few people have said this, that you need to achieve 200 views per sale. Now, we've got 20 videos going up on our product. We only need to get 10 views per video to reach our one sale per day target. One sale per day. So this is what our target is, and this is how we're going to do it. So with our 20 videos, we need to get 10 views on each video per day. Now you might be thinking, how am I going to do that? What am I going to do, etc. That's not the difficult part. The difficult part is getting the sale. Now, the next thing we're going to look at is, back onto this 20 videos part, is if we make these 20 videos and we get our 10 views, that is going to reach our 200 views per day target, which will give us our 1 sale per day. Congrats, you're now making, as we said, we had a $33 product and we're making our target. Now, you're thinking, so we've watched up to here so far, and if you followed this, give it a great thumbs up, is how are we going to make the $12,000 a month? Exactly. So this is what we're going to look at. We have created our product, well, we've got our product, and we've created our YouTube channel, and we've created 20 videos, all giving us 10 views a day, sorry. Now, you're thinking, right, great, I've made $1,000, how do I go to $12,000? Easy. Next month, we choose another product that we go into. So we repeat the same process. Now, if I have January to December, and you suddenly go 1,000 here, making 2,000 a month, and all the way up to $12,000 a month. It's actually very, very simple. Now, all you need is a creative mind, which some of you have, some of you don't. You can go onto sites like Answer the Public, which I've shown in previous videos for titles. You might be thinking, how am I going to do my research? How am I going to create these videos? Easy. You are not the first person to look at this product. You won't be the last person. And I can guarantee you there's already a ton of content already on Google out there. What you have to do is you have to go onto their sites and learn and research yourself. So if I'm saying an hour a day, you might spend 20 minutes of that hour doing research. Now on that research, you create your video, you upload it to YouTube, it's an hour a day. So for an hour a day, you're only a year away from creating $12,000 per month. How's that sound? $12,000 per month. What could you do with that? Moving on. So you're thinking, okay, so we've got a product, we've got YouTube sorted. What do I do next? Well, this is going to be shown in further videos, and if you'd like to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and I'll see you shortly. Bye.